Hey crafters, welcome back to HandiWorks. Today we're getting our applique on with this adorable elephant project, perfect for any animal lover. First, draw the elephant pattern on your fabric and cut out the shape. After removing the shape from the cloth, glue the edges with fabric glue and place a dark fabric on the back side. Then, we'll attach a contrasting dark fabric to the back. I'll be using a handy square embroidery hoop for this project. By the way, if you're looking for a helping hand to hold your hoop, check out the amazing embroidery hoop stand available at myhandystore.shop, link in the description below. Now let's get stitching. I'll use a variety of fun stitches to decorate our elephants. We'll start with braided chain stitch and braid stitch for some awesome texture. While we stitch, let's take a little detour and virtually visit the Pinawala Elephant Orphanage here in Sri Lanka. This incredible place cares for orphaned and injured elephants, and it's a truly heartwarming experience. The elephant orphanage is a wonderful experience, clean and hygienic. You get to feed, touch, bathe, and play with these majestic animals. It's truly an unforgettable experience. For the ears, I'll switch to web stitch for a delicate touch. The pistol stitch and French knot are perfect for the eye of the elephant. Use the bonnet stitch to decorate the trunk. Cross buttonhole stitch and chain stitch for the legs, and scallop blanket stitch for the baby elephant. And for our adorable baby elephant, I'll add a touch of whimsy with scallop blanket stitch. Finally, add a borderline with a running stitch around the elephant to complete the design. Let us know in the comments below if you've ever visited an elephant sanctuary and what your favorite elephant memory is. Happy stitching!